Welcome back. Well, it's Friday, and that means it's time for some Friday Tunes.
They've been with us since early this morning, all to help you ring your weekend in on a good note.
And singing everything. Here's Whyte Noise Co. Take it away, guys.
1, 2, 3, go. I'm alive, but I'm not quite dead. 'Cause I'm dead, but I'm not quite alive. Without a dollar in my pocket, without no means to get ahead. Got no money in these pockets, but I got this love that I will spend. What if one day your money goes away? Don't ever say that love means nothing now, because it's everything to me. Someday, yeah, and I'm not quite alive. I'm alive, but I'm not quite dead. Without a dollar in my pocket, without no means to get ahead. Got no money in my pocket, but I got this love that I will spend. What if one day your money goes away? Don't ever say that love means nothing now. What if one day your money goes away? Don't ever say that love means nothing now, because it's everything to me. What if one day your money goes away? Don't ever say that love means nothing now. What if one day your money goes away? Don't ever say that love means nothing now, because it's everything.
Good.
I want
stuff.
to be a percussionist like Joseph when I grow up. I've decided.
Oh, they're so good,
It's
and
just-
that song was so meaningful in
Yeah.
today's world.
Yeah.
And I feel like I love seeing people do what they love to do, and
Yeah.
you can't you can't beat that with these people. They're so passionate. You can
Whether
just
you
feel it
like
coming
this
out.
type of music or not, when you see someone loving what they do, it's just automatic joy. Well, hey, coming up, we'll have more from Whyte Noise Company.